everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Africa Princess. Today I want to do a messy hairstyle, like messy bun. So actually all you need is, you know, a rubber band, a hair tie, and some bobby pin. I'm starting on an old twist out, like my hair has been stretched in a twist out for maybe 3 days now. So now I'm ready to transform it into a messy top bun, you know. Yeah, so without wasting so much time, let's just get on into the video. So yeah, like I said, I want this hairstyle to be messy. So where's my mirror? Okay, let's take everything up. How high you want it to be depends on you. I want mine somewhere there. Yeah, something like that. And now use my head tie. Let me just first once and twice. So now we have to work on making it messy. So now I'm just like picking my hair, you know. I want some strands to be like poking out on purpose. Behind here I can just like take this out. You customize it just exactly as you will want it to be. So I'm just like pulling random strands to make it look really effortless, like I just put on my hair and I just like did nothing else. Okay, so now you have your, you know, puffy line. This style is good for anyone who doesn't have enough hair. Like if your hair is not long enough, this style will be good for you. It's just a kind of a camouflage hairstyle. Like it gives the illusion your hair is really long. Yeah, this is like anything hanging behind is okay. You can always pin it down. So I'm just like pulling it upward. You see, I haven't done anything. All I did was hold like this, and I'm like pulling it upwards to give it some length, you know, or height. And now it's time to pin. Anywhere that needs pinning, here is the time. I hold the whole thing like this, and I pin like straight in. So one more time, you hold the entire thing and then you like grab few strands and then press inwards. So anywhere you think needs help, oh, this one is poking out, especially down here at the bottom, that's where the bobby pins are most needed. But if you're not feeling safe with just the bubble pins, you can also use a rubber band that has a hair color, that has your hair color, and you carefully like slide it in to be just at the bottom, because it's not gonna be looking cute if a different hair color of a headband is like poking through the bone, you know. So that's why I rather go with my bobby pins. It's looking messy, but that's what we are going for. Like if you wanted a slick hairstyle, then you could do the same thing, but the only difference is you could now put gel, like slick it properly before doing the messy bun, you know. I think I'll do that in another video, the slick messy ninja bun. Yeah, that's what they call it. I'll do that in a different video, but for now I am just going for the entire messy look, everything messy. This hairstyle actually doesn't need you, why is my hair not in the frame, doesn't need you to have baby hair or slick down this baby hair too much. So actually I had slicked my hair yesterday and the thing is still like very slick, so I'm just trying to make it look like I didn't do any baby hair, but I did, you know, just to like make it a little bit messy as well, if you see what I'm talking about. Just to make it look like the hair is just soft and it's just laying there on its own without me like forcing it to lay down, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I think that's it. Like, use as many bobby pins as you feel secured, because it doesn't show anyway. If you do it the right way, it doesn't show. Right now I think I've used already like 6 bobby pins. Yeah, so this is how the hairstyle is looking like. Nothing too, you know, difficult. It's just very easy. That's it. If you prefer this hair hanging on just like that, then bring it back in front. The ones behind, you know, let's see, if you have short hair like me, anything hanging, just bobby pin it in. And that's the final look. Is my bun in the same? Yeah, it is. So that's it. Oh, before I forget, you can also like use, you know, these accessories to make it even look like you use this to just put up your hair and turn it into a bun, you know, just like this. You can do that if you don't want to use these head ties, or if you, in case you use these head ties instead of bobby pins, you can as well just use you know, how do they call this thing, like, yeah, these silky scrunchies, to just make it look like you did it very, very effortlessly. So I just thought I'd drop this in here. So that's it for this very simple tutorial, guys. Hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.